Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a unbagging slash unboxing video, I guess you could say, because I can tell that the item is in a box in the bag. And all I have to say is, hey dude, I needed another pair of shoes. Anyway, I did my Hey Dude unboxings after walking innocently by Hibbett Sports in the mall and seeing that they had a Hey Dude sale. And then I ended up returning those because I found a better deal on Amazon. And those are the shoes I unboxed with you. But then, of course, whenever what can I say? Whenever I started looking, I couldn't stop. So I ordered a couple more pairs and then a couple more pairs. So I'm actually waiting for one additional pair of the Britt. And those are the ones with the fur around the top that folds over. That's basically a replacement for the pair that I have. The pair that I have don't need replacing yet, but I found such a good deal. I thought I'm just going to get them because I love them that much. Then I got another color of the Britt, and it's called Charcoal. And I haven't had that color before, but I wear light gray a lot. In fact, right now I'm wearing light gray bottoms. And then I ordered two pairs of corduroy ones, one of which is in this box and one is on the way. So I went a little cuckoo. Now, I did tell you that I ordered a pair to replace this pair. You can tell the ones that I have worn a whole lot, but also sometimes the fabric is just a little softer and smooshier to start with. The linen and the chambray ones, I think, are a little bit more structured. And when I talk about those, I'm talking about like the iron forge ones that I showed you last time. Okay, so I have this pair and I ordered what I thought was a replacement. And I have washed this pair, not because they really show dirt, although they do a little bit around the sole, but because they get stinky. I mean, I wear them with no socks. I started out wearing them with those little slipper socks, but I got annoyed by that, and I figured out they don't really smell unless you're going to do an all day wearing them on a hot day at like Disneyland or Disney World. Otherwise, just hopping in and out of the car, running errands, going to sports events, most of the time they don't really smell unless it's like an all day hot, sweaty feet thing. And then I throw them in the washing machine. So that pair's a little faded. And so I ordered this pair. This pair is called Black Odyssey. And I thought that this pair was the same as the other black pair I just showed you, but it's not, because it has a lining inside that's different. This pair is just all black inside. So I don't know if this was called Black Odyssey and they've just changed the lining, because like I said, the fabric softens up over time. So this could have been as structured as this to start with. But if you're wondering about the Black Odyssey color on Amazon, this is what it is. It is a dark black. It is not faded at all. And there are some blacks that they offer that have a more faded look. But I really like to get my black shoes black. And I've found you don't want to put black jeans in the dryer. I think you want to wash them on cold only. And so I'll make sure I always wash these on cold, and I wouldn't put them in the dryer anyway. And hopefully they'll keep the black color longer. I may start out by washing them with vinegar the first time, because I've heard that will keep your dark jeans darker and also keep them from rubbing off on other things. So I'm not so worried about these rubbing off on anything, but if I can keep them blacker, I will be a happy camper. So I guess you could say that was a product reveal. Let me go ahead and show you the new ones I got. I have not had these before, but I tried them on a couple years ago and I really liked them. And then I ended up not wanting to spend the money on them because I got the Britt in the charcoal color and in that nut color. When I say charcoal, I really mean black. This is the Britt in black, but it really looks like it's charcoal. So that's why I say charcoal. The charcoal pair I have coming, they're more like a light gray, even though they're called charcoal. Go figure. This pair is called Nut. And so I have this pair and the black pair, and they had these for sale that day too. And I didn't get them because I was like, I'm getting 2 pairs. I don't need to be that extravagant, but I wear my gray snake ones all the time. This pair, they go with so much, and I thought this pair may go with a few things that the gray snake ones don't go with, because when I'm wearing like a heathered gray jogger pant, then this clashes sometimes because it's heathered and it's not heathered in the same exact way. So we're gonna put that to the test today and just see, because I put my heather gray jogger pants on when I got home. Surprise, surprise. I suppose I should have left my heather gray jogger pants off of my body. That would have been easier, because how I'm gonna hold my foot up to show you this shoe with my leg and my pants all on me. I don't know, but oh my gosh, I just put my foot in. These, unlike, oh my gosh, guys, the fur goes all the way up the front. The only thing that's not fur on the inside of these is the sole. And the sole feels really good too. Okay, so on this pair, it's the same way. I didn't realize that. That's why I like them so much. So yes, the fur completely covers everything but the foot. And I like these in the winter because I can wear ankle socks with them and they don't show. That's why I leaned with these over these initially. But for the in-between, like fall days or just lounging around the house, I thought these would be awesome as slippers, or for when it wasn't quite as cold, when I wouldn't have to wear socks. So my shoe and my foot are attached to my body. So I don't know about showing these like this. I may just have to pull down a whole nother pair of pants to show you how they look, but actually they look really good. I'm like checking out my leg and I am impressed with my matching capabilities. Now the back part here, this almost feels like a faux suede texture. I think it's fabric, but it feels a little more durable than just your typical textile cotton fabric. And then, gosh, what else can I say? These laces are elastic. You can tighten them up if you need to by adding an extra knot right there. But these, they feel unbelievable. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. They're awesome. They run just a little bit bigger than some of my fabric ones. I'm wondering if that's because they're going to maybe not stretch out as much as the thinner material. But you can see, this is what I'm wearing. Look how good those look with these pants. A heathered gray pant looks amazing with these shoes. I'm liking it. So now I've got my furry shoes on my feet and I'm liking them so much I don't want to remove them. I think I'm gonna have to though, because I think it's like, I think I'm gonna have to because it's 90 degrees outside and fur shoes are just not the most appropriate footwear choice for this kind of weather, but I do love them. And I have the other color coming too. I ordered both these off Amazon and I can link them below, but I'll show you the other color when I get it. They were marked down from, I believe, 60 down to around 43.90 something or another. And they are awesome, just like all my other pairs, except for the poly. I don't love the poly, but all the other ones I have, it's love. What can I say? Hey dude, keep up the good work. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Find me on Instagram, follow me there. You can DM me on Instagram or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.